Sar. Atiada Song. Atiaswar Prasad Antonio Lanak. Ayub Prakash.
I'm delighted to be here this morning to distribute this first 2016-2017 micro and small business grants to people here in Nabua. Today's recipients are among 11,000 successful applicants. My fellow Fijians, one of the most important objectives of the Fijian government is to see our local enterprises grow and contribute more each day to our nation's economy. Statistics show that our MSME sector represents around 10 to 12% of our gross domestic product. But we believe this estimate of the contribution of the micro and small businesses is understated. This is mainly because micro and small businesses operate in the informal sector, so it can be hard to come up with accurate statistics. Since the beginning of this micro and small grant initiative, as you've heard the Minister say, we have been able to bring 6,622 micro and small businesses into the formal sector. Ladies and gentlemen, the micro and small businesses also develop the community, and they are able to use these micro grants to establish a new business or expand their existing business. This leads to growth in the community by creating employment and giving people disposable income to purchase products and services. Just last month, I distributed grants to 769 people in Savu-Savu and Taveuni. These were the last of the first group of recipients whose grants were held back due to Tropical Cyclone Winston. It was indeed a relief to finally hand those grants out. Since its inception in 2015, the Micro and Small Business Grant Scheme has assisted 6,622 entrepreneurs with great funding to the tune of $6.3 million. These entrepreneurs have used the grant funding to start up or expand their businesses, and those businesses have ranged from cash cropping and poultry farming to tailoring and hairdressing, just to name a few. In addition, it has created a multiplier effect, meaning that these businesses create jobs because they do business with other individuals and enterprises. So we can safely say that Micro and Small Business Grant Program has improved the livelihoods and the lives of more than 33,000 Fijians. At this juncture, I would like to reiterate that my government is very keen to continue its support for the development of the SME sector. Government has already begun its budget process, and I assure you that we will continue to fund programs that will benefit our micro and small entrepreneurs. We are also grateful for the generous support given thus far by our development partners and other governments who recognize the importance of nurturing and fostering the growth of our micro and small scale entrepreneurs. As mentioned earlier, the Fijian government will continue to ensure that those who require genuine assistance will benefit from this grant scheme. Today marks another milestone as we commence disbursement for new recipients that have applied this year. As I've noted before, we have once again received overwhelming interest with nearly 19,000 Fijians applying and nearly 12,000 have been successful. I will be giving out grants to 549 recipients here in Nabua, most of whom are from the provinces of Namosi and Serua. After careful and thorough assessment by the Ministry of Industry, Trade and Tourism and the Fiji Development Bank, these 549 recipients have proven that they have the ability to make a real difference in their businesses and their communities and positively contribute to the MSME sector. I'm confident that these expanded and invigorated businesses will further contribute to improving the standard of living and increasing economic activity in Nabua and the provinces of Serua and Namosi. As you all know, for this initiative, the government has partnered with Fiji Development Bank to facilitate the grants and application processes. This helps to build the client base for the FDB, as these businesses will in the future require further financial assistance as they grow. And through this initiative, we'll already have an established relationship with the FDB. It also contributes to FDB's mandate of the development of industries and enterprises, and in particular, the economic development of the rural and agriculture sector of the Fijian economy. To the recipients, you are joining 129 previous successful applicants from your area who have received grants and have successfully established their businesses. We are confident that you will all follow their example and work hard to ensure that your ventures are also successful. To ensure that you are successful in your various business ventures, the Fijian government, through the Ministry of Industry, Trade and Tourism, will continue to provide business development support services to help you solve problems and sustain your businesses. Further, the National Center for Small and Micro Enterprises Development will offer mentoring and training in areas of financial management and sound business practice. And when you are ready to expand or take on a new business venture, you will find that the ministry will be there to provide guidance, counseling, and support. These, ladies and gentlemen, are a few of the many support services that show that the Fiji government's commitment in meeting its objectives of making our local SMEs the engine for Fiji's economic growth. To share some highlights of this grant initiative, the ministry conducted a post-disbursement monitoring exercise to measure the impact of these grants on the businesses and livelihoods of those that were assisted in 2015 here in Nabua and the Serua and Namosi provinces. It was encouraging to note some positive results after 2 years. One, Shobna Devi of Nabua town was assisted with 1,000 grant to expand her tailoring business. Her business has not only increased its orders, but also its profit. Mr. Marino Lawa of Wainibaka village, Namosi, was provided $1,000 for his canteen business. His customers are his fellow villagers, and his income has increased by 1/3. Ms. Saini Milinarewa of Lepanoni village, Serua, was assisted with $1,000 to expand her business selling frozen food by purchasing a chest freezer and additional stock. The grant assistance has allowed her to expand her customer base by reaching out to the nearby communities, which tripled her profit. Mr. Krishnil Prasad of Wakambalea Road, Nabua, was provided with $1,000 for his farming business. With the boost of additional farming implements, he now cultivates 5 acres as compared to the 2 acres he used to farm. He is currently planting dalo and other root crops and vegetables produce and has tripled his earnings. The success stories I have just highlighted, ladies and gentlemen, are meant to encourage you to work smart towards expanding or starting up your own business, and also to take the necessary steps to improve your standard of living. As usual, I would like to mention some recipients who will be receiving their grants this morning. I would appreciate it if you would stand up and rise when I announce your names. Mr. Apollonia Nawakarondo of Nakavu village, Namosi. Mr. Polonia. Is Mr. Polonia here? Mr. Polonia will be given $1,000 for the purchase of crafted items for a handicraft business. Mr. Jitendra Singh of Nakaulevu, Nabua. Mr. Jitendra Singh will be given $1,000 for the purchase of materials and equipment for his car wash business. Finau Mareda of Tonguru Settlement will be given $968 for the purchase of clothing stock for a second-hand clothing business. Elvis Param Siwan of Wuninokonoko Beck Road will be given $998.65 for the purchase of his materials and chicken feed for his poultry business. Mr. Malakai Saundromu of Numbukavesi will be given $1,000 for the purchase of stock for his canteen business, and Loata Vakadara of Wunimbao village, Serua, will be given $997 for the purchase of farming materials for a farming business. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. My fellow Fijians, the Micro and Small Business Grant Facility is an important undertaking of the Fijian government because we believe that the MSMEs are a catalyst for economic growth and job creation. We plan to continue this initiative and make it bigger and better in the future. The Fijian government is also exploring ways to provide support for the micro, small and medium enterprises. As such, I urge you all to take ownership of this opportunity and use the grant assistance for its intended purpose. Work hard in your various businesses and never be satisfied with where you are. Always look to the future and to growth. My government believes in you, and that's why we have invested the people's money in you and placed trust in you. This is an exciting moment for all grant recipients, and for me too, in a very personal way. I am proud of you, and I wish you well in your business ventures. Thank you.